Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus, and today I'll show you how you can record a screen on this tablet. So to get started, you want to pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of your screen, then swipe down once again to extend the list of toggles. Somewhere in here you'll find a screen recording toggle. For me it is visible right here on the first page, but if you don't see it on the same page, you could swipe to the left and this will show you additional pages. Now once you see it, simply tap on it, and this will then bring up this window right here, letting you choose what kind of sound will be recorded. We have three options, so we cannot record any sound. We can record media sound, which basically would record whatever sound would the device be making. So as an example, if you're playing music through it, it will be recorded. Now you could technically mute your device, and as long as the music is still playing, the device will actually record it, even though you can't hear it. And then we have both, so media and mic. Now if you're planning to utilize the media and mic, I recommend using headphones for this. Otherwise it might record a echo effect where the microphone is picking up the speakers, so you probably wouldn't want that. Anyway, from here we can select start recording. This will begin a countdown which we can skip, and as you can see it is now recording. So we have a couple options here, like the pencil, which allows us to draw on the screen, and we can also change the color here. We can pause the recording, and while it's paused, for instance, you could open up some kind of application, maybe log into somewhere where you just don't want it to be visible when you're typing your password as an example. And then, let's see, I'm gonna open up something like browser, and then you can click to resume recording. Once you're done recording, you can simply tap on the square right here. This will automatically save your screen recording to your gallery application, and it will be visible under the newest photos, videos in your library, but you should be able to also find it by going into the albums, and the device will create a screen recording album, which will mean that your screen recordings will be neatly organized in a single location where you can easily find them. So there we go, that's basically everything there is to know about the screen recorder. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.